Hi first grade, sorry we missed you today. Today in math we completed lesson 3. Our I can statement is at the bottom. I can explore different tools to help me in math. So today we looked at our math toolkits. You should have a bag that has blocks, a clock, a die, and something that has shapes that you can trace your shapes and a few other things. That is called your math toolkit, and you will be using that today. So our warm-up, we are going to do the first one, count by ones to 20, shouting the fifth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we are going to do the last one. This one we are going to count by fives to 50. Are you ready, first grade? Count with me. We're going to skip over numbers and count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Good job, first grade. Today in math, we talked about different tools that we can use to help us. So tools help us make things easier. So take a look at the kitchen. What are some tools in the kitchen that help you? You might have a mixer. A mixer is a great tool that helps you, and it speeds up the time it takes to make something, so that is a great tool. Now when you go outside, there are other tools you can use. A rake is a great tool that helps you pick up leaves. We have a hose and a saw. Alright, so those are tools that help us and make life easier. So today we talked about math tools and how they can help us in math. Now it is your turn. You can pause this video at any time. Look in your math toolkit. Can you find, this is called a pattern block template. Can you point to and find your pattern block template? All right, you're going to use your pattern block template and point to different shapes. Point to the big circle. Here is the big circle. Now point to the smallest circle. Find the smallest circle on your pattern block template. And here we are. This is your smallest circle. Finally, point to a shape that has 6 sides. Can you find the shape that has 6 sides? This is a hexagon, and it has 6 sides. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What shape is over here? Can you find it on your pattern block template? This is the triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It also has 3 vertices. This is called a vertex. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 vertices on the triangle. This is a game that is on Seesaw that you can play. You can play it on Seesaw, or you can play it at the table or on the floor with your learning coach. You will need 20 pennies and 1 die. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my dot die. All right. So the way this works is put 20 pennies in the center, and player 1 is going to roll. I rolled 2, So I take 2 pennies. There we go. Let me put this down here so you can see it better. Okay, now player 2 will go. 2. They also rolled 2, so they get 2 pennies. Keep playing until all of the pennies are gone. The player with the most pennies is the winner that round. Great job, first grade. After you listen to this video, then you can go to the next page on the Seesaw activity and we will share what you can do next. Thanks for watching.